What if there was a way to take classroom teachers and embed them into companies focused on science, technology, engineering, and math?
Had I had a teacher that had gone through something like this, he or she would have been better able to explain some of the differences and also some of the things that would have been more important around the environment and health and not just the science.
What if those 50 educators went back to their classrooms and focused on the 4 C's: collaboration, creativity, communication, and critical thinking?
If there were those real-life examples when I was a student, that would have made it a lot more fun, more challenging, more exciting, and inspiring to follow a STEM career.
And what if those same teachers gained support from the businesses to provide learning based around real-world projects?
I would have probably majored in something else because the logic of computer science has always appealed to me. I love English. I was an English major, have 2 degrees in that, but I love the logic also.
Wake Ed Partnership collaborated with Wake County Public School System so the business leaders of tomorrow won't have to wonder what if. We created SummerSTEM to embed educators in companies to improve classroom learning, but we can't do it alone. Find out how your business can help improve education in Wake County at wakeed.org/SummerSTEM. And ask yourself, how would your life be different if your teacher had an experience like this?